Hello and welcome to This Old Geek. This is my final installment of finishing my Christmas elf, finally. And as you can see here, I opted to actually use sandpaper to smooth it down. I used like a 60 grit and then 120 grit to get everything as smooth as possible. Now here I am applying the acrylic gesso, which is a primer. And I got that at Walmart as well. I think I got everything at Walmart. So I put on about at least 2 coats, and then I start applying the colors. This is a peach color, which is just an inexpensive craft paint. And I put on about, each color I put at least 3 coats on, like 3 to 4 coats, to get it to look right. This green paint was very thin, so I put at least 4 coats on. For the gloves, I use a bright red. I wanted some contrast. And the same with the boots, so I use black. I used real brown for the hair. I put at least 3 coats on, painted it all the way around. For the lips and tongue, I used a color called Fruit Punch. Now for the lips, I wanted them a little lighter, so I mixed some peach in there. And the tongue is just straight Fruit Punch. For the brows, I used the same color of brown that I did his hair with. I just did a single coat, a single layer of paint, because I didn't want it to blend in too much with his lock of hair. Now for the stripes, I just wrapped some masking tape around. I wasn't sure how else to do it. I just traced around the masking tape and used that as a guide to paint the red stripes. So when I took off the masking tape, I had that outline all the way around that I traced, and I just used that. And I did make some of those stripes a little thicker than I really wanted to, but that's okay. And to finish it off, I just glued a little pom-pom, a little booty ball onto the tip of his hat. And then I was done. And there he is, all finished. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. And you can check out my other videos, especially my first video starting this project. There's probably about 4 at least. I'll leave a link below for the first one. And you have a great day, and I'll see you again.